Most people think UK businesses are run on advanced AI systems in 2026. But in reality, a huge number of finance teams still rely heavily on Excel spreadsheets. Not because businesses are outdated, but because Excel still sits at the center of how financial decisions are actually made. And that's the part most people misunderstand about AI, dashboards, and business intelligence. Because businesses don't just need data, they need a way to turn information into decisions. And in this video, I'm going to show you why Excel still dominates UK businesses, how financial information actually flows through a company, where AI fits into finance, and why understanding business structure matters more than ever. When people talk about digital transformation, they usually imagine large corporations with fully automated systems and real-time dashboards. But most UK SMEs don't operate like that. A typical business might use Xero or Sage, payroll software, separate CRM systems, manual exports, emailed spreadsheets, and disconnected reports, which creates a major problem. Financial information becomes fragmented, sales tracks one set of numbers, finance tracks another, operation tracks things differently again, and management often receives information too late to make fast decisions. So finance teams spend hours manually combining reports together, not because they enjoy spreadsheets, but because Excel becomes the place where businesses organize information. A lot of people think business intelligence simply means dashboards, but dashboards are only the output. Business intelligence is really about turning business activity into usable decision-making information. Every business generates data, invoices, payroll costs, supplier payments, customer activity, staff hours, operational performance. But raw data means nothing without structure. This is why finance teams spend so much time organizing information, because businesses need visibility. The need to understand where profit is created, where costs are increasing, which activities generate value, and where operational inefficiencies exist. That's what modern finance teams actually do. It's no longer just about recording numbers, it's about supporting decisions. One thing I've noticed in UK SMEs is that businesses often have data, but not structured financial visibility. So if you want a simple framework showing how financial information connects to business decisions, I've linked my free UK business model financial structure map below. So if AI tools and business intelligence systems exist, why are businesses still using Excel? Because Excel is flexible. Businesses change constantly. Pricing changes, processes change, reporting requirements change, departments change. And Excel adapts faster than most rigid systems, especially in SMEs. Even companies using advanced reporting tools still often rely on Excel underneath the process. Excel becomes the analysis layer, the adjustment layer, and sometimes even the decision layer, which is why Excel skills are still extremely valuable in finance. Not because spreadsheets are old, but because businesses still need people who can structure information properly. AI is definitely changing parts of finance, especially reporting automation, forecasting, data summaries, and operational analysis. But AI still depends on structured information. And this is where many businesses struggle. Because if the underlying data is messy, AI simply scales confusion faster. The future of finance probably isn't AI replaces finance teams. It's more likely finance professionals who understand systems, reporting, and decision making become even more valuable. And honestly, this is one of the biggest shifts happening inside UK finance teams. Businesses no longer just want reports. They want operational visibility, forecasting, performance analysis, and better decision-making support. That's why understanding business structure, financial visibility, operational processes, and reporting systems is becoming such a valuable skill, especially in UK SMEs, where processes are often less structured than large corporations. And if you want to go deeper into how businesses actually structure financial information internally, I've put together a practical Excel toolkit called UK SME Business Model Canvas Financial Map. Anyway, hopefully this video gave you a better understanding of why Excel still dominates UK businesses even in 2026. Because the real challenge in business isn't collecting data, it's turning information into decisions. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know what UK business or finance topic I should cover next. Thanks for watching.